Hey loves, it's your girl Amachundi and welcome back to my channel. In case you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, please don't make it your last by hitting the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. It feels so good to have you here and welcome on board. Alright loves, so today I'll be opening my piggy bank. Yeah, some people call it asusu, some people call it saving box, some people call it piggy vest, whatever name you choose to call it. Yeah, so I'm so super excited to do this with you all, and let's go. Yeah, so this is a DIY I made myself using shoebox, sellotape and brown paper. So if you want to know how to make this, or if you want to know how I achieved this, please check the video right here or here. Okay, right here. Yeah, so I made this on the 6th of January 2023. You can see right here, and today I will be opening it with you guys. I'm super excited. All right, so without further ado, let's open this baby. Yeah, so I will be using scissors. Fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning. I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you wanted my money, and this is what I came up with. Yeah, this one. Okay, so my name. Alright loves, we've come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.